close till I get up.
Hello students, I am Sasmita Das, an assistant teacher of Bhavanipur Project Upper Primary School, Pipili, Puri. Welcome to our online classes. Today we will study a topic of class 8 English book, that is the topic of mongoose. Now do you know what is mongoose? Now look at the picture. I hope all of you have seen mongoose very well. It is all over found in rural areas and also in towns. So now let's read the text. Mongooses like to hunt together, but they always keep a lookout for dangerous hunting animals nearby. While poking their noses into holes, overturning rocks with their paws and scratching the ground with their sharp claws, mongooses look very amusing. A common sight in many parts of Africa, they travel in groups of about 20 to look for beetles, millipedes and other small creatures. They like to hunt together, keeping in touch whenever they go out of sight behind rocks or bushes by twittering and calling. Always on the lookout for danger, hawks, eagles, they warn one another with a special alarm call if they spot anything suspicious. So, children, it is a very interesting topic. There are so many words that you come across new. So, there are some new words. So, let us discuss. Mongooses like to hunt together. Hunt. Hunt means to kill some other animal so as to feed. किछि शिकार करिला. Mongooses like to hunt together. Together. They always go together, not individual. All of you have seen. Sometimes we see that 1, 2 or 3 mongooses come along holding one other's back. जणे आउ जणक लांच धरी लंबा हेकी जाती. But they always keep a lookout for dangerous hunting animals nearby. While they are coming across at the same time, they also very careful that whether there are any dangerous hunting animals. While poking their noses into holes, poking their noses, it means often we see that before entering a hole, the mongoose poke its nose and नाकोटा को से आगो गात भितरे भर्ती करे, so that it can be sure that it can enter into the hole or not. So it is very amazing. It is very interesting to see. While poking their noses into holes, overturning rocks with their paws, तार पंझारे मध्य से रॉक्स को पत्थर को एपट सेपट की गड़ाए. And scratching the ground. Scratch means रामपुड़ी दबा. Scratching the ground with their sharp claws. नखरे मुनिया नखरे. And children, all of you almost see that the mongoose kill the snakes. How? With its sharp claws. So, scratch the ground with their sharp claws. Mongooses look very amusing. While it is doing so many things, that poking its nose into holes and scratch the ground, it looks very amusing. A common sight in many parts of Africa, they travel in groups of about 20 to look for beetles, millipedes and other small creatures. A common sight in many parts of Africa. In Africa, it is a very common sight. Africa महादेश रे एटा गोटे भारी कॉमन कथा, साधारण कथा, that these mongoose travel in groups, दल दल हेकी जाती, groups, and their number almost about 20. 20 जन पाखापाखि से सांग होई पछको पछ धरी जाती. How? For what? To to look for means search, to look for beetles. What is beetles? A kind of gote poko, gobar poko, millipedes. Now millipedes hochi amara se bhaliya gote poko. Now look at the picture. Other small creatures, and they find these so as to eat. ତେଣୁ ଏମାନେ ଏଇଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ଖୋଜି କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି ନା ଖାଆନ୍ତି. They like to hunt together. These mongoose like to hunt together. They always travel together, live together and hunt together. Keeping in touch whenever they go out of sight behind rocks or bushes. Keeping in touch, but they always are in touch with each other. Whenever they go out, jette bale भी से बाहर को जानती शिकार करिबा पई for hunting, से माने परस्पर रो टच रे थांती. Of sight behind rocks or bushes, से जते बड़े भी रॉक पछपट को जानतु बा बुशेस पछपट को जानतु से सब बड़े परस्पर रो टच रे थांती. किबळी by twittering and calling. Twittering बड़ी चिंची शब्द करिकी से माने इतने चिंची शब्द करती that they are aware that one is also at the side of another. गोटे आउ गोटे पाखा पाखी अछंती and calling. Always on the lookout for danger, hawks and eagles. But remember one thing, that one thing is dangerous for these mongoose. What is it? Hawks and eagles. छंचाण एवं ईगल एमाने होचंती आंको पई डेंजरस because these mongoose are afraid of the hawks and eagles. They warn one another with a special alarm call if they spot anything suspicious. When they travel in groups, if they find that there is any dangerous of hawks, eagles or any dangerous animals, so they warn one another with a special alarm call. जेते बेले से जानिबा को पांती जे आख पाखरे कि हॉक छंचाण बा ईगल ए भले अछंती, so that they will eat the mongoose, so they alarm one another with a special alarm call. से परस्पर को अलार्म कर दियंती, गोटे अलार्म कॉल करे. So this is all about the funniest things about the mongoose. How do they live, what do they eat, and what is their daily activities. So now let us discuss something. Children, now let us recall that whatever you have read, now look, choose the correct one. The enemy of the mongoose is beetles, hawk, millipedes. What is it? Hawk. Mongooses look amusing when they poke their noses into holes, overturn rocks with their paws, scratch the ground with their sharp claws. All they hop. They travel in groups of about 10, 20, uncountable, 20. Now let us discuss some comprehension question. Number 1. What are the paras about? The paras about the nature of mongoose. What is the common nature of mongoose? The common nature of mongoose is living together and hunting together. Number 3. What do mongooses normally eat? कौन से माने normally खाते? The mongooses normally eat beetles, millipedes and some other small creatures. Number 4. They eat beetles, millipedes etc. but the mongooses are also eaten by other creatures. सेमाने सिना beetles millipedes खाती किंतु सेमानंकु मध्य आउ किछि क्रिएचर माने खाती. Who are those big creatures? से बड़ क्रिएचर माने किए? Hawks and eagles. Number 5. How do they keep in touch with one another? परस्पर सहित केमिति टच रे रुहंती? By twittering and calling. Number 6. How do they warn each other when they see anything dangerous and suspicious? से जते बळे किछि डेंजरस देखंती से किभଳି निजको वार्न करंती. They warn each other by with a special alarm call. So there are some words in this para that can be used both as noun and verb. Now look at the word scratch. Noun and verb. Noun और verb विषय तुमर सब उदाहरण अछि. अच्छा पूर्व क्लास रे मध्यम पढिछ और टिके खाली मन पके दोछि. Verb कोन? What is verb? Verb is a action word. Verb is an action word. Eat, sleep, these are the verbs. Similarly noun, what is noun? Noun is a naming word. So scratch. Scratch means rampudiya. आमे ताको verb रे केमति यूज करिबा? The baby scratched my face. Noun रे केमति यूज करिबा? I have a scratch on my face. मो मुहरे गोटे रामपुडा दागटे अछि. Touch. Touch. Touch को केमति verb रे यूज करिबा? The mother touched the baby. माँ पिलाटी को छुईले. Noun रे केमति यूज करिबा? The baby stopped crying at the touch of her mother. पिलाटी ता माँ कर छुआरे स्पर्शरे कांद बंद करी देला. So this is all about, and there is a homework for you. कमानो पे मोटो homework अछि कोन? Now look at the comparison question number 10. It is in your textbook. The writer calls the mongoose very amusing animals. What do the amusing things about the mongoose? Now you have to write down all the things.